Hello everyone. This is video lecture 3rd of computer playlist. So let us start. Question number 1. Which memory is considered the fastest in a computer system? Options are A. Cache, B. RAM, C. ROM, or D. Hard disk. So the correct answer is A. Cache. Question number 2. What is the primary purpose of RAM? Options are A. Permanent storage, B. Temporary storage for active processes, C. Backup of system files, or D. Input device operation. So the correct answer is B. Temporary storage for active processes. Question number 3. Which of the following is a non-volatile memory? Options are A. RAM, B. ROM, C. Cache, or D. Registers. So the correct answer is B. ROM. Question number 4. What is stored in ROM? Options are A. User data, B. Operating system files, C. Firmware and startup instructions, or D. Temporary files. So the correct answer is C. Firmware and startup instructions. Question number 5. Virtual memory is stored on which device? Options are A. RAM, B. Hard disk, C. Cache, or D. Registers. So the correct answer is B. Hard disk. Question number 6. Which type of RAM needs to be refreshed regularly to maintain data? Options are A. DRAM, B. SRAM, C. ROM, D. Flash memory. So the correct answer is A. DRAM. Question number 7. Which type of memory is directly accessible by the CPU? Options are A. Hard disk, B. RAM, C. SSD, or D. USB drive. So the correct answer is B. RAM. Question number 8. What does EEPROM stands for? Options are A. Electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. B. Electronic erasable primary read-only memory. C. Enhanced electronic permanent read-only memory. Or D. Electrically enhanced programmable RAM. So the correct answer is A. Question number 9. Cache memory acts as a buffer between options are A. RAM and CPU, B. Hard disk and RAM, C. ROM and CPU, or D. RAM and motherboard. So the correct answer is A. RAM and CPU. Question number 10. What is the primary use of secondary memory? Options are A. Store temporary files, B. Provide additional memory for CPU, C. Store data permanently, or D. Perform arithmetic operations. So the correct answer is C. Store data permanently. Question number 11. Which memory is directly accessible by the CPU? Options are A. Cache memory, B. RAM, C. ROM, or D. Hard disk. So the correct answer is A. Cache memory. Question number 12. The main memory of a computer is also called. Options are A. Secondary memory, B. Primary memory, C. External memory, or D. Virtual memory. So the correct answer is B. Primary memory. Question number 13. Registers are used to. Options are A. Perform mathematical operations, B. Store frequently used data temporarily, C. Store permanent data, or D. Access the internet. So the correct answer is B. Store frequently used data temporarily. Question number 14. Which type of memory can be programmed only once? Options A. ROM, B. PROM, C. EPROM, D. EEPROM. So the correct answer is B. PROM. Question number 15. What is the hierarchy? What is the hierarchy of memory speed fastest to slowest? Options are cache, RAM, registers, hard disk. B. Registers, cache, RAM, hard disk. C. Hard disk, cache, RAM, registers. Or D. RAM, registers, cache, hard disk. So the correct answer is B. Registers, cache, RAM, hard disk. Question number 16. What type of memory is used in SSDs? Options are A. SRAM, B. DRAM, C. Flash memory, D. EEPROM. So the correct answer is C. Flash memory. Question number 17. The term volatile memory refers to memory that options are A. Loses its data when power is turned off, B. Retains its data permanently, C. Is used only for backup storage, or D. Operates at a low speed. So the correct answer is A. Loses its data when power is turned off. Question number 18. What is the primary use of DRAM in computers? Options are A. Act as external storage, B. Serve as main memory, C. Store system files, or D. Process user input. So the correct answer is B. Serve as main memory. Question number 19. BIOS is stored in which type of memory? Options A. RAM, B. ROM, C. Cache, or D. Hard disk. So the correct answer is B. ROM. Question number 20. Which type of memory is used to speed up the processing time of the CPU? So the options are A. Cache memory, B. Hard disk, C. RAM, or D. Secondary memory. So the correct answer is A. कैश मेमोरी. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो हमारी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हमारे वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए. थैंक यू.